We are back. Okay, so the hair is by Allove Hair, and I'm just showing you this little baggie right here. I really appreciate stuff like that because I can always kind of put the wig back in, and know where I got it from, basically, kind of store it like that. Anyways, this is the hair and I'm showing you it. So I'm going to jump off camera and it's going to be like maybe 4 hours later, and I'm going to come back with the wig already made. I'm just showing you everything right here. The hair is so silky and so pretty. Really, really gorgeous. So here I am, wig made. Let's go in and style it. I was cutting it, but I was like, you know what, let me show you what I normally do. So I'm gonna go in and finish cutting the unit, basically layering the front and all of that good stuff. And we're gonna be doing the lazy way of curling stuff. So I love to use my bendy rollers. You're gonna see that in a minute. So right here, I'm just going in and I am giving myself some layers to frame around my face. I absolutely love this hair. It is so pretty, so bomb. I already cut the lace and I customized the baby hairs and all of that. You guys know how I love to do. I didn't feel like showing all of that because there's like tons of video on that. So right here, I'm showing you the bendy rollers. I get all of these bendy rollers from like the Chinaman. Like whenever they send here to me, they send me like 3 or 4 and it just adds up and it's always like the same color. So I just save them. The only thing is they don't hold the hair so well. So that's why I have the little hair ties to kind of pinch the end, but they still work. They still do the job. You will see. So I'm going in with my Lotta Body spray. This is the diluted version. I have like the big bottle and I just dilute it myself. And yeah, I'm just going in and I'm wrapping the hair away from my face. And I think I'm going to be doing about 8 of these in the unit. Lately, I've been doing like big curls. You see what I'm saying? Like I don't want it to be too tight. So you're going to get, you're going to see what I'm doing basically. Okay, so yeah. So I'm on my left side now and I'm rolling away from my face. You can kind of see better from this angle. A while ago, it was hard for me to really show you on the other angle, but that's just how it go. We gonna continue to do the do, whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop, boop, boop. Let me know if you guys appreciate me separating the videos or you prefer to see it together. I feel like a lot of you are just interested in the makeup more so than the hair, but there's still a few of you that really want to see the hair, so that's why I'm keeping it in here. And plus, I'm trying to pay these bills. Let's keep it real. Hot Tools soft bonnet dryer. If you don't have one of these, you need to go ahead and get one of these because this will save your life. Okay, so I don't have that much bendy rollers in here, so it fits over the mannequin head really easy. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 2 hours to make sure that it's completely dry. And to be honest with you, this is the next day, so I did it for like 2 hours separately. I did it for 1 hour, turned off the machine, let everything cool down, and did it again for another hour. And this is the next morning, and I'm showing you, how the curls look. Everything is nice and dry, and I'm just unraveling and going through and doing the do, whoop de whoop. Really beautiful curls. Like if I had left it, like if you do this and you leave it like this and just make the curls drop a little bit more, like so bomb, so pretty, you have no idea. I'm telling you, try it, okay? So right here, I'm just going in with my alcohol and wiping up around my edges to make sure that this thing sticks on, because I'm going to be sticking it down today, not using any harsh glue. I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot and my Gots to Be spray. I really like this combo. I think because the Gorilla Snot has a little bit of methanol in it. Is that how you say it? Menthol? Menthol in it. It kind of has like a cool effect, and I feel like that really helps it to dry and keeps it a little flexible. Like it doesn't feel tight or anything like that. Like if I use the Gots to Be glue by itself and the Gorillas, the Gots to Be spray as well, like I feel a lot tight. It starts to hurt and it feels really crunchy, so I don't like that. But I really like this a lot better, and it stays on if you're going to be in a cool climate. It's still very chilly over here, so I'm good to go. Right here, I'm just, kind of making it a little bit tacky and blowing on hot, high heat basically, and I'm just going around and making sure all of that is nice and tacky before I spray. So the spray really helps it to dry really quick, so I'm just going to go in and lay it down, and then I'm going to grab my little blow dryer, my little handy dandy blow dryer, and on high heat I'm just going in and I'm spraying I'm blowing everything to make sure that it all sticks down. So yeah, this part, can you talk? I don't know what is going on with me today, or any day for that matter. I'm always stumbling over my words. Like, what is wrong with me? I must be sick or something. Anyways, this part is self-explanatory, is what I wanted to say before my tongue got in the way, okay? So, yeah, let's just go ahead and watch this, and we're going to come on back and do-de-do, whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. So right here, I am blowing everything on cool heat just to kind of cool down because as you can tell, I already have my face done and I'm not trying to get all sweaty and hot underneath here, okay? So I'm going to tie this down temporarily and then I'm going to go in and do a little extra styling on the unit, basically fix the front because you can tell the front I left it out and that's because I'm going to be using my curling iron. I didn't want the front area to be as tightly curled, so I didn't put anything in that area. So right here I'm deciding, do I want to go left, do I want to go right, or do I want to go in the center? So I decided to do a side part, and you know, we're just gonna go ahead and style that up, get my curling iron, and we're gonna do the do. Okay, so I'm just making sure that my part is nice and flat, and I didn't feel like plugging in my hot comb even though I just got it. This curling iron does the job, so I'm just going in and flattening out the root area so everything looks nice and neat and all of that good stuff. And then I'm gonna be curling, and I'm gonna be curling away from my face because I want it to be really nice and flowy and, you know, going away from my face basically. And I am not going to be holding this for too long because this is super hot, and I think I'm using the 1-inch barrel, so we're just going to slide it through and keep pushing through. Okay. Okay, so now that I have that, we are going to go in and deal with these baby hairs. I feel like, you know, it's been set, so I can go in with my mousse, and I'm not going to be doing a lot of baby hairs. I'm just going to mold the front basically and kind of not make it too dramatic, like, you know what I'm saying? So this is an extra hold styling mousse, and we're just going to go in and make some little sweet swoop-de-whoops and doobity-boop-boop-boop just to make this whole entire area look nice and neat and all of that. And then I'm going to tie it down again, and then we're going to come back in and brush out the hair and do the final styling. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. So right here, I'm going in with my blow dryer, and on high heat, I am blowing this area just to kind of speed this up because as you can tell, we got a full beat. There's no time to be sitting here waiting forever for this thing to dry. You see what I'm saying? So I'm trying to speed up the process. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going in with my, what is this? This is the wax. I get this hair in Japan. This is basically hair wax to, you know, tame all those flyaways and make everything look nice and neat. So we're going to deal with all of that. And then I'm going to spray the top to secure everything. I'm going to spray it with my Gots to Be spray to make sure everything is nice and neat. Now we are going to brush through this and smoothen out everything and get the body of the waves going and all of that good stuff. So yeah, very self-explanatory, and yeah, you guys can go ahead and watch the rest of this video, and then I'm going to come in and talk to you for the outro. Okay. Okay guys, so that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said in a previous video, I'm going to be splitting it up. I'm going to go back to my old ways of doing videos. Hair is just hair and makeup is just makeup. So I'm going to separate the two for those of you, you know, who want to watch hair, you can go ahead and watch the hair, and for those of you who want to watch makeup, can easily watch the makeup without being disturbed by the hair. Make sure you check out Allove Hair. All the information for this unit will be in the description box. She is absolutely gorgeous, as you can tell, full of body and life and all of that. She's just giving it to me. Okay, if it is your first time here, please subscribe, join the family. We are a happy bunch. Come on in, become a silver bell or a silver fox, whichever one you want to be. Okay, give the video a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you like my videos. So if you like my videos, show it some love. Okay, make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms, which is Instagram, Snapchat. Everything is under Savannah Silver. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.